if you don't have sex like regularly, like on a regular basis, you are the higher risks of heart disease. In fact, different kind of disease. So Mary Ramsey don't want that to happen. Okay, so I got you covered. This video is for you. Yes. Hi guys, hello beautiful people. You are welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you'll not miss any of my video. Okay, each time I upload, YouTube will get to notify you. Okay guys, have you joined my membership? Have you support my channel in any way? Guys, what are you waiting for? Please join my membership. Okay, join Marian Ramsey channel, okay, to enjoy more of natural herbs, how you can treat yourself and at the comfort of your home, and a lot more on the channel. There are more to come. Okay guys, so let's get right into today's video. Yeah guys, the question is, what happens if you stop having sex? Is it healthy to stop sex? That is the two question, and Miriam Ramsey is going to answer all these questions here today. So all I want you to do, don't skip the video, okay? Stay with me, grab anything grabbable. Let's get right into the video. But before that, like the video. Like the video for me. Thank you. Okay guys, is it healthy? No, it is not. Without you having sex all the time, it is going to make your vagina tighten, and its tissue, it is going to be more thinner. Yes, it is going to be more thinner, and it can likely injure you, injure you when it take you a long time for you to have sexual intercourse with a man. Any day you are going to have it again, it is going to be more tightened, and it can likely injure you. Okay guys, so it is not good for you to stay long. Okay, so I got you covered, don't worry. Anything you need to know about this topic is here with Miriam Ramsey. Okay, so is it actually healthy? Okay, what happened? I will still repeat, what happened if you stop having sex? Yes, let's look at it. Number one is your heart may not work as well. Yes, let's tell ourselves the truth. Your heart may not work as well. They said may, okay? Underline that word here, may. Okay, so let's go. Number two, you might get less exercise. Yes, what are they saying? Because sex, according to researcher, they make us understand that once you are having sex like regularly, not every day, but once you are having sex, anytime you feel like having sex, like is your own time, particular time of having sex, you tend to burn 5 calories. You can see, so it is good for you. So don't stop, don't stop. Okay guys, the next one is that it is going to make your immune system weaker. It may weaken your immune system. Okay guys, so I have a video on health benefits of sex. That is the health benefit. I'm going to leave it in the description box, so go there and check it out. Like, once you stop having sex, your immune system is going to be getting weaker, because researcher make us to understand that once you are having sex regularly, it is going to boost your immune system. So you see, Miriam Ramsey got you covered. The next one is that your relationship will get changed, will begin to shake, like it will get changes. Yes, that one is self-explanatory. Don't need to explain that one. Your relationship will get like some changes in it. So that is it on that. Because if you are into a relationship, let's tell ourselves the truth, and your girlfriend came to your place or came to your place today, next week, the before month end, you don't try to make any attempt, that relationship is not going to last. Yes, I said it. Leave it in the comment section. Your blood pressure might rise, it might rise again. Okay, so it might rise. So when you're having sex regularly, or anytime you want to have sex, it is going to calm it down, according to researcher. Okay, so if you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed to the channel, or you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Like this video. or you don't like the beautiful face you are seeing, so that you can be enjoying more of natural herbs. Okay, like the video and share this video. Let's go to the next one. Ache and pain hang around. Yes, hang around. Ache and pain, it is going to be the mother of the day. Yeah, so because if you tend to like have sex, at times there are some pain, there are some things that is going through your mind, but once you are having sex, you tend to forget all of those stuff. Okay, so that is it and that. So think about it, guys. Think about it. After coming across this video, go and sat yourself down and think about it. What normally happen if you stop having sex? Okay, so guys, if you find this video very interesting, like I know you do, okay, I know, if you find it very interesting, give me huge thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your loved ones, your neighbor, your family, your brother, your aunties. Okay guys, share it with them to improve their sexual life. Okay, join my membership, guys. Share this video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up on this video. Okay, share this video. Like I said, I know I've said it, but I'm going to repeat it again. Share the video, join my membership, don't skip my ad. Okay, love you guys till I come your way next time. See you in my next one. Bye bye.